Hello folks. So I've been doing a lot of live feeds where I talk about cryptos among other subject matters, and a lot of people are, I would say 50% of the people are okay with cryptos and willing to get into cryptocurrency, and I say the other 50% are downright against it. And I can't blame those people that are downright against it. It's something new, it's something unproven. And again, it's not backed by anything, but neither is the dollar. But the thing about cryptos, the advantage that cryptos have over the dollar is that they're not in control of the government. Now, when I say go and try to diversify and get into a few cryptos, I am not saying take your car payment, take all your bills, take any of your financial obligations, the monies that need to go pay into that. I'm not saying go and blow it. I'm just saying, maybe take one day off a week for dinner for 1 or 2 weeks, and just that amount of money, get your feet wet into cryptos. Cryptos, so far, for me, I've made some money. I've made a couple of bucks off of cryptos already, folks. Yeah, just like any other market, it has its ups and downs. And I don't work for a crypto company. I don't work for a silver company. And speaking of silver, I have not abandoned silver. If anything, I might have a plan to make some money in the crypto markets. Sell off, reinvest into gold and gold and silver. I'm not saying you have to stay in cryptos. Get your feet wet, is what I'm saying. Don't spend too much money into it. Spend what you are comfortable at losing. Because yes, you have to play it safe. You have to always side on the edge of caution that you could lose it. Absolutely. But I can tell you right now, I've been consistently up for approximately 8 days now. And when I first got into it, the market actually was in a low. I rode the low down. What I mean is, as the price fell, there was incremental purchases and whatnot. Now I'm riding that price increase up. I can understand people being in fear of something that's new. I definitely can understand that. But this is a market that is not being manipulated by our government right now. And as I said in my live streams, you gotta do what the rich people do. They're not rich because they do what you and I do. They're rich because they do what they do. And when a rich person, when a rich company, is what I really want to say, starts investing in cryptos, I think it's time for you to start investing in cryptos. If you get in during its infant stages, where it is now, you stand a chance, depending on how much money you can invest, you stand a good chance of making some good money. These companies like Amazon, Apple, they're making moves towards cryptos. There's certain airlines now that accept Litecoin as payment. My wife and I just bought some silver because we are silver stackers and always will be. And when we checked out, the shopping cart, when we went to go pay for it online, there was an option. There was 3 payment options. Check and wire. I think actually it's check and wire. You can mail them a check or you can wire him money was one option. The second option was debit card or credit card. The third option was Bitcoin. These big companies are slowly starting to adopt it. These companies did not get rich and big and lucrative by making bad financial decisions, by having bad foresight of what will be in our future. Go to JM Bullion, folks. Go to APMEX. See if I'm lying. They accept cryptocurrencies now. Travelocity, some of your online travel agents, they're accepting cryptocurrencies now. They're thinking about creating an ETF for cryptocurrencies now. Get your feet wet. Get your feet wet. Give it a shot. Start off with $50, $100. That's all I'm saying. I don't make money off of this. There's nowhere I'm being sponsored by a crypto. You can look at my videos. I'm not being sponsored. It's just I believe this is the wave of the future, and I believe if we can get on it now, we stand a good chance of turning our investments into a lot of money. In addition, and then I'll end this video, a lot of people ask me, okay, you convinced me. How do I get into cryptos? Well, it's kind of detailed. But you need to set up a Coinbase account. Setting up the account is free. You do have to give them a few bits of information in order to utilize your banking account to buy the cryptos. You got to link some kind of form of payment to that account. In addition, I believe it's for tax purposes, you need to upload a good image of your driver's license. That is it, folks. If you guys are interested in a Coinbase account, and I'm going to be completely forthright and honest, when you become a Coinbase account, you'll be able to do the same thing. You'll be able to refer people and make $10 for everybody who signs up. If you email me, and if you sign up for a Coinbase account utilizing the link I send you, I can make $10 worth of cryptos. Not a lot of money in the scheme of things. And once you become a crypto account holder on Coinbase, you'll be able to also make $10. So if you're interested in a Coinbase account, and if you have no objections to me making a lousy $10, email me. I'll shoot you a link to the legitimate Coinbase website. My email address, it's in the video's description, but it is bksinaz@gmail.com. bksinaz@gmail.com. Folks, have a great day. I'm off to the gym. First day back in like 6 months, 5 months. First day back since I had my heart problems and gotten released from the hospital. I'll let you know how things go.